Please follow these instructions on how to add permissions within an installation in the Zaptec Portal. Permissions are divided into 4 different roles. The roles define a user's added permissions. User permission is added in order to charge on designated charging stations within the installation. An owner of the installation will have permission to change most settings, access usage data, and give other users permission. Intended for a manager role such as an administrator of the building or garage, or for the board members of a cooperative. An owner of a charging station will have the same permissions as an owner of the installation, but then only for the designated charging station. Mostly, rightful owners of the charging station will have this role as well as a user role in order to track their charging history. Service permission is intended for certified service partners and enables them to change technical settings. Log in with your Zaptec user. Dashboard is now displaying. Then click on Installations. This page shows the installations you currently have access to. You may either search for available installations up on the right or select from the list displayed. Select Installation. In order to add permissions to a user within the installation, check that the name of the installation is displayed to the upper left. Click on Permissions. Then click on plus Give Permission. Find user via email address. Click on Search. If the email belongs to a registered user account, the email will be displayed. Select User and click Next. Now choose which user roles should be added. Click on the preferred roles and then Next. Before clicking on Save, you can check if the user account and the permissions added are correct. Below you can check if the permissions given are within the installation or to a specific charging station. Permissions that has been added will be displayed by user, roles given, and whether it's within the installation or to a specific charging station. If the owner of the installation or the charging station wishes to change the permissions added to a user account, the owner can either delete or change the roles. Permissions added.